empty. We want money, but it takes away from us the way we spend it. We don't know how it will turn out. What are you looking for? Something that will improve you, but once you see it, you know it's gone. I have realized that the things of this world are meaningless. No matter how hard we fight for them, we will leave them to the one who loves children and people well. Because it's not like you buy a car right away and you find yourself with it. You buy land and a flood takes it away. You can't afford to build those houses, and then the wind comes and takes them away. But we don't know that we fight for it in vain. And you think we'll take it with us? Why don't we just break a single thread and become brothers and sisters? If there are people we should be able to unite. We realize that we live in this world as friends among people, and this is how I see it, and you have something to say about it. Yeah. Why don't we just break a single thread and become brothers and sisters? If there are people we should be able to unite. We realize we live in this world as friends among people, and this is how I see it, and you have something to say about it.